Hello, and welcome to another episode of Habitat for Humanity Wisconsin River Area's Make It in a Minute series. In this series, I show you how to build fun, easy, and useful DIY projects that can be made entirely with items found at your local Habitat for Humanity Wisconsin River Area restore. In this episode, I will be showing you how to build this minimalist stool. For this project, all you'll need is a long piece of wood, at least 14 feet, a hammer and some nails, and some paint or stain. Wisconsin River Area restores have a large quantity of all sorts of lumber in a wide variety of sizes. For this project, I took 2 pieces of rough oak to give the piece a consistent look all the way through. The width of the wood shouldn't matter too much, but it's best to keep it around 5 to 6 inches. Cut the wood up into 18-inch sections. You should end up with about 10 of these. If you want to create a chair instead of a stool, cut out another piece that's skinnier and 32 inches long. Cut this one at an angle, about 10 or 15 degrees is best. Otherwise, use another 18-inch piece and secure it vertically. After you're done, remember to sand down all your pieces. Take 2 of your 18-inch pieces and secure them together at a 90-degree angle, leaving a little space for overlap. Flip it over and secure another piece opposite of the one you left the overhang on. This will be the start of the legs for your seat. If you're making a chair, take your skinny piece and secure it at an angle to the back of the leg section. At the end of the vertical pieces, secure another 2 18-inch pieces to either side of the top. Now, on the back, secure a piece to the back at a 90-degree angle from the rest of the pieces. Make sure it's well centered so the seat doesn't rock easily. Now attach the seat using 2 pieces on top of the piece. If you're making a chair, attach the back in the same way. My piece started out as a chair, but I eventually realized that it would have been too heavy as it is, so I cut off the back to lighten it up a little bit. Now that your seat is finished, all that's left is to paint or stain it. Thank you for watching this episode of Habitat for Humanity Wisconsin River Area's Make It in a Minute series. Have you ever tried this project out? How did it go? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to also subscribe to our channel to be notified whenever we upload a new monthly project. In the description, there will be a link to learn more about Habitat for Humanity Wisconsin River Area restores, as well as a list of needed materials. Thank you for watching.